your basic average girl, and I'm here to save the world. You can't stop me 'cause I'm impossible, 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 impossible.
Is you Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Event XO coming to you with another video, and today I'm bringing you this simple Kim Possible makeup look. Now this is super simple. If you don't have any costume ideas, this is something that you can create with the makeup you already have, and then you can get the clothes out of your closet, because I know you have cargo pants somewhere, and I know you got a black turtleneck or a black top. Alright, so yeah, this is super simple. Get you some gloves, get someone else to play Shigo, whatever you want to do, and then just follow this tutorial. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. This hair is from ReadyWigs. I will leave them linked down below. Super cute lace front wig, and it was super easy to style and manipulate, and it also has parting space so that you can part it any which way, but I want to do a free part look. So yeah, so I'm gonna add in some contacts. Now these contacts are from Sybil Eyes. I will have them linked down below. Just keep in mind that shipping takes a really long time. I believe it's 3 to 4 weeks. So yeah, they are affordable, but shipping takes way too long. All right, there we go. So now I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face. I'm gonna use some of my newer stuff. So right now I'm gonna moisturize with my Dior Hydration Rescue Intense Sorbet Cream. I'm gonna be using my Smashbox Photo Focus Primer. Alright, so while that is drying and setting into my pores and, you know, smoothing out everything, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. So my brows are done. I cleaned them up off camera because I needed to concentrate. And I'm gonna set it with this color from the Tartelette Toasted palette. Oh my god, my brown just fell out. So I'm gonna use this color right here. So I'm gonna use my contour stick from ColourPop. It's the No Filter stick in 210C. And then I'm gonna fill in the rest with my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. I'm looking really orange. Like, look at my hand and look at my face. So now I'm gonna go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. I'm gonna take a mixture of this color and this. This is cinnamon and cream. Mix them together and create the perfect highlight. Alright, now I'm gonna set with my Fenty Beauty setting powder. Now taking the James Charles palette, I'm going to contour. And I like using this palette to contour because it has deeper shades. So if you're doing like a Halloween look, these are very pigmented and will definitely stand out. So that's why I like to use those two colors to contour and chisel out my face. So now I like to melt everything, so I'm gonna use my setting spray just to melt all the powders because I feel very chalky right now. What should we do? I kind of want to move on to the eyes and do like an extreme eyeliner, and I'm gonna be using my Sephora waterproof eyeliner. Okay, I did some extreme lashes, extreme liners. They're not even, so don't look at me. But I'm gonna add some really thick lashes. Now these are my Miami lashes, but they're not in the right place. But don't mind that. All right, so I added my lashes. These are Miami lashes from Lily Lashes. And now I feel like we're almost done. Like, this is a very simple, everyday Halloween, not everyday, but like a very simple Halloween look. We have to do the lips, of course. So we're gonna block out the bottom ones. And I'm just gonna take some concealer, place that on there. You can also use just regular lipstick, to be honest. There we go. And then for the top lip, which is the fun lip, we are going to go ahead and use like a brown lip because she definitely has like a nice brown lip on top. So taking a brown lip pencil, this one is from the beauty supply store. I'm going to go ahead and create the lip. Now her lips don't have a cupid bow. It's like a really cute just lip, okay? So we're gonna try to do that. And then I'm gonna go over that with my Kat Von D liquid lip in the color Crucifix. Now the bottom one looks, is that too bright? I don't know, it might be too bright. I'll just use this Tarte lip paint in Choker. Alright, so this is the finished look of my Kim Possible inspired makeup look. I really like how this came out. Of course the hair could be longer, but I like it like this. I feel like eventually she would have ended up cutting her hair and making it into a bob so that she can, you know, fight crime a lot more easier, okay? Like I said earlier, this is from ReadyWig.com. If you guys would like to purchase this hair or purchase other synthetic units that they have, I will have them linked down below. This is super simple. All you have to do is wear a turtleneck top, a black turtleneck, and some green joggers or green cargo pants. And you could even wear army. Would army work? Maybe army pants would work. And then have someone else do Shigo. Maybe I should do Shigo before Halloween ends. I don't know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning into another video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave me a thumbs up if you like what you saw and you saw what you like. Also make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's going to be down in this corner right here. Join my little familia. Get a little familiar with me. And yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye.